Hi, welcome to this week's 1 Minute Wednesday. And this week, heading into lockdown number 2 as of tomorrow, I wanted to kind of reiterate a few points around the use of Microsoft Teams. And that's because I hear a lot of prospects that I speak to talking of Teams as a video conferencing tool or just an instant messaging tool. And actually, if you're using Microsoft Teams fully, it's much, much more than that, and it's really, really powerful. So I thought I'd share with you my kind of top 3 things for you to maybe go away and have a look at. So number 1 is the collaboration and co-authoring of documents in Microsoft Teams. Now this isn't purely Microsoft Teams, but if it's saved in Microsoft 365 somewhere, Sharepoint, Teams, OneDrive, if you and multiple other people open the same document, you can all work on that document together. This is great because it saves that email ping pong of revisions going backwards and forwards and things getting lost in people's inboxes. With this, there's one document and all the revisions are stored within there. So that's a really powerful thing to use if you haven't looked at that before. Number 2, this is a fairly new one in the Teams world, is the Microsoft Whiteboard. This is fully integrated into Teams, and it is what it says. It's just a blank canvas where you can brainstorm, doodle, do your sums, whatever you need to do, but obviously as a team and working from different locations rather than being in a room with a whiteboard or flip chart at the same time. And you can save these whiteboard calculations or doodles or designs or whatever you want to do on the whiteboard, and then email them out to yourself as well. And number 3 is actually instant messaging. I know I said at the beginning that actually it's more than just instant messaging, but instant messaging used correctly with a team of people spread across multiple locations is a huge time saver. Mainly because you are stopping your email boxes clogging up full of messages that actually could just be a quick text message. No phone call needed, no email needed, just a direct message, one-to-one or one-to-many people, and can be a huge time saver because 1, you don't have to sort out your emails, and 2, because it's much more timely to respond to. So hopefully those 3 things are really useful. And if you want to know about Teams a bit more, etc., then just drop us a message and we'll be happy to speak to you. See you next week on another 1 Minute Wednesday.